everyone, Wild Acres here. We're just out doing some farm chores. We figured while it was nice we would clean out the goat shelter and put some new straw in. Anyways, kids are outside playing. It's December 28th. It's super nice out. It's like plus 5 degrees.
Pretty dry.
Come on, Goldie. You can't stay in here, honey. You want to go in the compost? Okay. Jump off. Willow, out of the run. Come on. Willow, out. Come on. Good girl. You're just following me everywhere, Goldie. Okay, let's get some straw. Get them some hay. Oh, why don't we had to buy this. This area we cannot find hay anywheres. No, we can find huge round bales, and we are not set up for round bales yet. We only have a small area, so we need square bales. And no one around here has any because of all the rain this year. And I guess the year before that, prior as well. So we're stuck buying little bags. Hopefully we can find some soon. Okay, do any of you guys ever have socks that do this? Drives me insane. We had this bag, this net for hay, and it was the worst to get stuff in it. You had to like pry it open. So we found this old freezer rack and Aaron screwed it on. So hopefully that'll work better for the hay. We'll give it a try and see. You use what you got. See how that holds up. Goldie, what are you doing? Hey, girl. I need you all out. This is not helpful. Come on. I need to get straw. Oh, beep beep. What? I was putting some hay in the goat thing. Our nesting boxes are high, and our roosts are higher, and the chickens just poop on everything, and they're not using the nesting boxes. And I read online that the nesting boxes should be really low, so we're gonna try to mount some new ones. Why don't you use one to hold it? Why don't you put this one underneath it, hold it up with it. Look at the genius of your wife. Oh, that seems pretty sturdy.
Is it straight though?
Do chickens care if it's straight? Oh, okay. Now we gotta put some straw on it. Don't poop on me. Bark, 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 bark. Now that we have it all done, I wonder if there should be a lip, because I think all the straw is gonna fall out. Trial and error. You see a goat pee? What are you guys doing?
I just got up here. It was a struggle though.
It was a struggle?
Yeah, she always pushed me off.
I didn't mean to. It's cozy up here. It's cozy up here.
It looks cozy.
I'm about to fall asleep.
Really?
Yeah, that's how cozy.
Now are you able to get down?
Oh, that's a different problem.
What? Speak up.
That's a different problem.
Okay.
That's the problem.
Hey,
that
Willow.
I never thought of.
Oh, okay. Well, I gotta go round the chickens up.
No.
Bye. Sun's going down. New chicken to go in the run. So I'm trying to force her into the feed area. It's not working! Good. Sit. Ready for the ball? No. Ready? This chicken's trying to play catch too. Willow, come. Good girl. Watch this. Look at the ball. Watch this chicken. Watch this chicken run for it. Okay, ready? Go. Come on, Willow. Bring it back. Good girl. Go get the ball, Willow. You didn't get it. The chicken's gonna get it. I don't think that's gonna hold up. What are you guys doing? You're not supposed to be in the hay basket. Oh, she got out. You might as well walk them up now.
Stay out, okay?
Close them up now.
Yeah, that's what I'm coming here. Stay. That's your dog. Stay. Stay. Go see Pete. Go see Pete. Night. Night, guys.
Somehow I don't think that feed basket's gonna hold up. What do you think?
It doesn't look like it.
You do, baby.
Well, animals are all tucked in. That's all, folks. Oh, do you believe?